We'll guide you through how to combine photos together on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on an iPhone, and so you've got multiple photos you want to go and put together into one. We're going to guide you through how it can be done. Make sure you watch this full guide and don't skip ahead, otherwise you may go and miss an important part of this. If I come into my photos, I've got some photos that I want to go and do this with. So let's go and get started. Now for this, we don't actually need to go and get any other third-party app, but we don't actually do it directly in the Photos app. So come out of that for now. What you need to do is we need to go and find the Shortcuts app. So by default, that's going to be on the second page and you're going to find it in the Utilities folder there. You can always go and drag down and go and search for shortcuts. Let's come into it. Now, what you need to do is come to the bottom and you can go and find library there. Then you want to come in here and you want to go to the top right and you need to go and find the plus and tap there. So now we're going to guide you through creating this and getting it so we can then go and use it to go and combine photos. So to go and get started, what we're going to do is we're going to go and press search and you need to go and type in select photo. Here it is, go and tap there. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to go and just expand it by pressing the arrow to the right. You want to be able to go and select multiple, really key. Next, we're going to press search and we're going to go and type in combine. As you can see, combine images, so tap there. Now, you want to make sure it's got photos and you can tap horizontally. What I like to do is I like to go and set this to ask each time so we can then go and choose whether we want them vertically, horizontally in a grid. So I'll press that there. And you can press the arrow to the right there. And you can go and choose the spacing. So the spacing is the gap in between each one. So we could tap there. You can leave it at 0. You may want to just go and have a small amount though. So let me go and type in, I just want 5. So let me just go and move the cursor just after it. And there we go. Then we can go and close off this by pressing the cross. And we can then come down and press search actions. And now we're going to go and type in save to photos. So you want to go and tap that there. That's it. So now what you can do is you can go and press the back in the top left and it's going to be there. Go and tap on it. It's going to start running. And now you can go and choose the images you want to do this with. So let me go and select a few. I'm going to do this with 4, let's say. Then we can go and press the tick in the top right. You can choose the mode. I want to go and have it in a grid. Now it's completed. And we can go and come out of here and come to our photos. And there it is. That is the photos put together. You can see the little line there. You can make that thicker by increasing the spacing.